Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am in my mom uniform today. We are going to be heading to a football game in 45 minutes. So I thought, even though I'm dressed like this, I'm gonna film a video because I want to share a couple really good Target finds with you for actual holiday decorating and for gifts. I'm just really in this like mode of gifts because I want to get it done as soon as possible. So I've been sharing a lot on Instagram. I did some gift guides. I'm not sure if y'all on here have teenagers, but I know a lot of my followers on Instagram have teenage kids and love when I do the gift guides. So if you are a parent or grandparent or you're buying a teenager a gift, I feel like I came up with some really great ones this year. I will post them on my communities tab in the next day or so. So watch for those or follow me on Instagram. But also in this video, I want to share one thing I believe that is not from Target, but I want to share it with you because I think they're so cute and I want to give you a little idea of what I'm doing now that my kids are older. Maybe it'll inspire you to do something different. But without further ado, let's get into the haul. The first thing I want to share with you is this advent calendar. Look at how cute it is. It is so cute. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with these is, instead of doing stockings this year, I'm still gonna do stockings on Christmas, but they're not going to be over the top. They're just gonna have a few little, probably candy items. I'm not exactly sure yet, but this is going to replace the very expensive stockings that I usually end up doing. I feel like the stockings are always last minute and I feel like I just always like drop a lot of money in one spot because I have 4 kids. And so anyway, this year all of my kids are, so I have an 18-year-old and I have 2 16-year-olds and I have a 12-year-old. So they're all getting older, but here's my idea. You guys can tell me if I'm crazy or not. But I'm gonna start this year. Next year, Isaac, Lord willing, will be off to college and I'm going to miss him a ton. And so I thought that I could use these year after year and fill them up and mail them to the kids at college. And so they can feel loved all December before they come home. And I don't know, I'm just feeling all the feels right now of having kids going off to college. It almost just brings me to tears. I can't even talk about it. But I wanted to share with you, I mean, I'm 5 foot and this comes up to my chest. And so they're big and I'm not gonna put like an actual full-on gift in every day. So some days I'm gonna put their favorite candy, like Isaac loves cinnamon bears, so I'm gonna put some cinnamon bears in there. So not every day will be full of expensive gifts, but I like to buy the kids like a new razor and I give them gift cards for like eating out and like for lunches in their stocking and stuff. So anyway, this is just my idea. Maybe it'll resonate with some of you, maybe it won't, but I thought I would share these. I will link this below. It is from Amazon. Very inexpensive and I'm like super impressed with the quality. It's canvas, so it's very sturdy. And I'm gonna spruce it up to make it a little more Christmassy. I'll show you guys when I do them, but I had my friend make their names, so I'm gonna put their names on there and then I'll probably like do some ribbons and then I will wrap all the gifts in it. So it will look pretty festive once I'm done. I'll actually film a video putting it together if you want to see that. Moving along, before I get to, I don't know, maybe I should do this. Actually, I'll do this last. If you want to stay till the end to see the Christmas gift ideas, then do that. But before, let's just keep going with the home decor. I was able to get my hands on these. These are just darling little pictures, like framed art from the Hearth and Hand line, and they are adorable. They're so cute. I do believe this one is still in stock. I'm not sure about this one, but if anything is in stock, I will link it below. But check in store, because I just saw this in my store recently. So if it's not online, check your store. But I just thought these were gonna be so cute paired together, or not. I have open shelves. I have a entryway table. I could put this one on. I just love them. Like, honestly, this is just pictures of some trees. It's not really even Christmassy, so you could put this up, you know, even into January. I personally don't like decorating for like winter, just because, man, when Christmas is over, I am ready for a new, fresh slate, and I want all the Christmas-ish things put away. But maybe you're not, and you like that. These both would be perfect for that as well, so you can get a little bit more use out of them. The next thing, I love to pick these up every single year. If you've been around, you know, I love to get some new, fresh washcloths for the season, and these are absolutely adorable. They're so cute. And then I also got this really cute tea towel. I wish they had this last year, because last year I did a lot of, just most of my decor was red and green. Like, I did actually mostly green, and then I just added, sorry, I want to get this open. And then I just added little touches of red with ribbon and stuff, and this would have been perfect. But it's very cute. I love that. And of course, these match very well. Keeping with the linens theme, I picked up this gorgeous table runner. I think this is so pretty. I think this would be pretty all year round. It's just like a cream with a green plaid. Loved this. This is from Hearth and Hand as well. Next up, I am just like over the moon that I got this. This was like my #1 pick on my little things that I made. I wanted this so bad, and look, I got it. And it does come in and out of stock. So it just came in stock recently, I just saw it, but just click the notifications. But also when I was in Utah, they had them in stores. So like I said, check your stores. Next up is I picked up some bowls. I think these are adorable. I love these on my open shelves or in my kitchen. I love decorating with bowls. If you've been around here, you know. Next up is this cutting board. It's got like little trees cut out. I'm just going to use this as a decor piece. I'm gonna put it in my crock next to my stove, because I got a bunch of wooden things in there, and I think this will be so cute. So just like a little festive without being super over the top, you know what I mean? And last but not least, in the Christmas decoration category, I picked up this gorgeous candle, and she smells real good. It's balsam and berry. I just thought this would be really cute on my coffee table. I have a pumpkin there now, so I'll just replace it with a red one. I'm definitely going for red and green again this year for my decorating. I haven't even started decorating. I haven't even actually thought about it, really, because I have been so busy decorating other people's Christmas trees. If you saw my last video, I've just been so busy, and I want to dress something really fast. I am not an interior decorator, for those. I used to do that more before I took on a full-time job. I have one client left that I do Christmas trees for. I just can't tell her no. And I really don't have time for it like I did before I worked a full-time job. So yeah, I honest, just to be completely transparent with you, I personally do not enjoy decorating for other people anymore. I could do a whole video about that, but that's just where my heart is right now. I'm not saying that's going to be forever, but right now I just want to enjoy decorating for myself. So no, I'm not an interior decorator, for those asking in my last video when I shared those Christmas trees that I did. I want to share these bags with you. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been beating a dead horse with these because they're so good. So if you have any woman in your life and you need a cute Christmas present under $20, these bags are absolutely adorable. I mean, I'm in my bow era. I love a good bow, and this one is so cute. But I also have always been a cheetah print fan, always, my whole life. And I love that it's like coming back into, coming back because I love it. And then who doesn't love a cherry? I don't know, they're so cute. There is another one that's like silver with a black star on it. So I feel like you could find something for something for anybody in this. I'll link them below. But such a good teenager gift. The quality is so good too, which is what when I shared them, I was like, I better buy those just to make sure that I'm like okay with the quality. And this surpassed my expectations just because they're only $15, but they're good. And what I love is you put your makeup up top, and then the bottom has a spot you can put your brushes, which is awesome. So great gift. Now, to go along with these, my daughter always loves to get all of her friends a gift, and I don't like to, I mean, she's got 5. There's 5 really good, a group of friends, which is very uncommon that there's so many of them, but we love them, and I love that for her. But it can get kind of pricey, right? And so what I like to do is I like to buy like nicer gifts, like these magic erasers. This is just an example, but this was $20, and it's a name brand. It's a nice gift, but there's five in here. And so what I like to do is I like to get things like this and then fill them with these littler things to make it like just a more special gift. So I wanted to share these. The great stocking stuffer for moms, for women, I should say, not moms, women, and in general, this is a great gift if you like to do that kind of thing. Maybe you have a bunch of girlfriends that you want to do a gift exchange with. These, I didn't bring it in here because it's not from Target, but we did some body sprays. I bought a little package that had 5 in there. We're gonna put one of these, a body spray, and then we also did a Summer Fridays lip balm. There was a little kit off of Sephora that had 5 in there, and it was perfect. So, and I think that was $20 too. So probably under $100, I'm going to be getting all 5 of her friends a gift, which is incredible. But I also want to share these with you really quick. This is a disposable camera, which I know if you're like me, you're like, well, that's silly, but all of the teenage girls want these or a digital camera. And I have given one of these to one of my son's girlfriends for her graduation gift, and we've given them to friends, and they've just loved it. And these ones from Target are so cute. So we actually got these on a clearance sale because I think that they were just clearancing out this particular like pattern because they also have new ones. Anyway, those are some gift ideas. Follow me on Instagram for all of my gift ideas for teen boys, teen girls, and I'm gonna do a couple more. I'm not sure, I'm not committing to anything, but I want to do a couple more. So I'm always mindful when I do them. I'm practical, I'm budget friendly. Obviously for Christmas, we're buying a little bit nicer things than we would on the daily, so I do consider that. But I also have 3 teenagers, and they were very helpful in putting those gift guides together. So it's pretty trendy, what most teenagers are wanting, budget friendly-ish, and really cute. So anyway, I think that's all I have to share with you for today. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Again, everything will be linked in the description box for you to check out. And I probably won't have a video next Saturday because I'm going out of town to Arizona to help my friend in a Christmas market there. So I guess if you live in like Mesa and that you want to go to a Christmas craft fair type thing. You should come. That's kind of weird. I'm not weird. You can say hi to me, but that would kind of be weird for me. But I'm just a regular old mom over here. But if you're in the Mesa area, come to the Christmas, what's it called? Hold on. Let me tell you what it's called. I'm helping my girlfriend who makes those scalloped cutting boards that I have shared on here a million times. They are so cute, and she actually has different styles now. And anyway, I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to go visit her and just hang out with her. But if you are in the Mesa area, it's called Vintage Charm. So I will be there helping her in her little booth. So I will be gone. And so I don't know if I'll get a video done between today and when I leave early next week. So anyway, if not, come back after. When I get back, I'm full blown decorating for Christmas. So we will not have any shortage of Christmas content. But I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.